you're looking to upgrade your Android home screen, you may have heard about Niagara Launcher Pro, the paid version of the minimalist Niagara Launcher that prioritizes simplicity and one-handed use. But the real question is it worth paying for the Pro upgrade? Let's break it down. So Niagara Launcher is a popular Android launcher known for its clean, minimalist interface and smart app list that saves time and reduces clutter. The free version already gets high user ratings for its intuitive design and smooth performance, a 4.68 out of 5 average user score. Niagara Pro unlocks extra features like advanced theming, widget stacks, calendar and weather widgets, customizable pop-ups, usage timers, and more fine-tuning options behind the UI. Some of its pros: it adds useful personalization and organizational tools to an already smooth experience. It offers multiple payment models, yearly or a one-time lifetime purchase, often praised by users for enhanced functionality and design polish. However, some people feel the subscription paywall approach is unnecessary for a launcher. A few users still report occasional bugs or limited features compared to heavy customizers. The final verdict: if you love the minimalist style, want those extra conveniences, and support indie developers, the Pro upgrade can be worth the modest price. Many people say it enhances productivity and personalization, but if you prefer traditional grid launchers or don't care for the paid extras, the free version is still highly capable on its own. The bottom line: Niagara Launcher Pro is legit and worth it for users who value sleek, efficient navigation and extra customization. It's not a scam, just a well-reviewed productivity upgrade for Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.